In this video, I'll show you how to use WeChat wallet without Chinese bank account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so WeChat, for those who doesn't know, it's a multi-purpose messaging, social media, and mobile payment app developed by Tencent in China. So basically, it has become one of the largest standalone messaging apps in the world, right? So if you don't know, WeChat offers a wide range of features, making it a comprehensive platform for communication, social networking, and digital transactions. Now, the question is how someone can use WeChat wallet without, a Chinese bank account. Say, for example, you're a foreigner on in that country. So the use of WeChat wallet without a Chinese bank account may be limited, all right, because it was designed for users in China. But there are ways that you might be able to use certain features of WeChat wallet that we're going to explore, all right. So first off is you sign into your account. So if you're using your mobile device, open the app, all right, log into your credentials. If you don't have one, sign up for free, right? And then we hover down to the help center section. Okay. Go to the WeChat help center in your mobile device. Open the app. All right. Go to the platform, your region. Say, for example, you're from abroad, right? And then what will you do is put all your feedback. Send your feedback. All your concerns. Say you can't use the WeChat wallet because you don't have any Chinese bank account. All right, you're gonna put it in there on the feedback form, and then someone from the WeChat support team will contact you and guide you along the way. Right, and also if by any chance you have like a Wise, right, Wise account, so here's a very helpful guide here on how to use WeChat Pay Foreigner right here. You can use the Wise like a a workaround if you wanted to work around with WeChat right here. So it says it is possible for a foreigner to use WeChat to pay who aren't Chinese citizens to or a permanent residents to each. However, you might need to download the international version of the app. But again, as I've said earlier, there's gonna be limitations, all right? And you'll face restrictions unless you have a Chinese bank account, all right? So here's like a conversion rate wherein you wanted to check to. So go here at wise.com blog WeChat Pay for Foreigners because I have a Wise account and I went here and it helped me when I was in China trying to purchase something and trying to to take advantage of the users of the WeChat wallet. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.